Hello viewers, welcome to Vensi Max and Life YouTube channel. I am your Varghese. Today we are going to see one important concept in mathematics, that is LCM, least common multiple. I am going to introduce LCM with the help of one small story. I am running a office. I appoint two salesmen to perform the sales. I inform the first salesman A to meet me every 2 days to settle the accounts, and I inform another salesman B to meet me every 3 days to settle the accounts. I am going to represent their meetings with the help of the number line. The first salesman A meets me every 2 days, that is 2, 4th day, 6th day, 8th day, 10th day, 12th day, and so on. The second salesman B meets me at the 3rd day, first time. So 3rd day, second time 6th day, 9th day, 12th day, and so on. I am going to ask you one simple question. When the first common meeting between us take place, you can clearly say the first common meeting takes place on the 6th day. So the first common meeting is equivalent to the LCM of 2 and 3. Here, when you analyze 6, you can draw some conclusions. See, 6 appears in both multiples list, and 6 is the smallest common multiple, and this 6 is divisible completely by 2 and 3. Now you can say LCM is the least common multiples between 2 or more numbers which is wholly divisible by them. We can find LCM with the help of 3 different methods. First one is listing multiples method, second one is prime factorization method, third one is division method. Here we are going to use listing multiples method to find the LCM of 6 and 12. Here first we are going to list out the multiples of 6, that is 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. Next we can list out the multiples of 12, that is 12, 24, 36, 48, and so on. Now from the two multiples list, you can list out the common multiples. Which are the common multiples? 12, 24, and so on. So from the common multiple list, you can select the least common multiple, that is 12. So the LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. The second method is prime factorization method. First I write 6 in terms of prime factors. 6 equal to 2 into 3. Next I write 12 in terms of prime factors, that is 12 equal to 2 into 3. Now I check the prime numbers appears maximum number of times either in both numbers. See, first I check the prime number 2. 2 appears here one time, but here 2 appears 2 times. So you write the maximum number of times. So 2 appears 2 times. Next I check the second prime number, that is 3. 3 appears here one time, here also one time. So 3 appears one time only. So the LCM is you have to multiply the number of maximum number of times each prime number appears. That is 2 into 3. That is equal to 12. Next method is division method. So find the LCM of 6 and 12 with the help of division method. So I write 6 and 12. Check this 6 and 12 is divisible by which smallest prime number. So it is better to start from the smallest prime number. So clearly 6 and 12 is divisible by 2. So now how many times 2 in 6? 3 times. How many times 2 in 12? 6 times. So the second set is 3 and 6. So the smallest prime number divides 3 and 6 is, you can select 2. So here 3 is not divisible by 2, so you can write the same number here. 6 is divisible by 2. How many times? 3 times. So now we are having 3 and 3. So clearly it is divisible by 3. So we can write 3. So how many times 3 and 3? One time. Here also how many times 3 and 3? One time. So when you reach 1, you stop the process. Now the LCM of 6 and 12 equal to, you have to multiply the prime factors. 2 into 3, that is equivalent to 12. So this division method is very easy to find LCM of even the largest numbers. So now commonly we are using this division method to find the LCM. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe it and waiting for the next step.